write the decimal expansion of the following without actual division. Okay, so before starting the problems, I want to explain you one thing. See, without actual division, for example, we have 5 here and we have 100. Okay, so without actually dividing, we can write this as 0.05. All right, why? Because in the denominator we have two zeros, right? So we need to write from the left, we should count two digits and write a decimal point there, right? If we have 7 by 10, it is 0.7. Okay, and if we have 179 divided by 100, it will be 1.79, right? And if we have like 357 3571 divided by 1000, 3.571, right? So in the denominators, if we have powers of 10 like 10 or 100, which is 10 square, 1000, 10 cube. Okay, in the denominators, if we have powers of 10, it will be easy for us to divide, isn't it? Okay, so here let us make this denominators as powers of 10. Okay, first we need to find the prime factors of the denominator. We have 50 here, so this is 5, 10. Okay, 5, 2, this is 1. So 35 divided by 50, we can write it as 2 power 1 into 5 square, isn't it? Now see, we have 5 2 times here, 5 and 5, and 2 is only once. That means 5 2s are, there is 110 in this, but 1 2 is missing to make it 10, isn't it? All right, so we should multiply denominator with 2. All right, why? Because this will become 2 square and this will become 5 square. We can write this as 10 square easily, isn't it? Okay, so that means we need to multiply the denominator by 2 here. I just cannot multiply the denominator and leave the numerator like that, right? Whatever I'm doing in it, whatever I'm doing in the denominator, I should do the same thing in the numerator, right? So multiply numerator denominator by 2. So this will give us 35 2 is a 70 divided by 2 square 5 square, right? So this is 70 by 2 square 5 square. 70 by, see, this is 10 square. Now 70 by 100, isn't it? 10 square is 100. So how much is this now? 70 divided by 100, 0.70 or 0.7. So we did not do the actual division, right? So 35 by 50 is equal to how much? 0.7. All right, now 21 divided by 25. Let us find prime factors of 25. We know it is 5 square, isn't it? Okay, to make it 10 or power of 10, see, we have 5 and 5 two times. We need to multiply this with how much? 2 and 2. That means 2 times 2 is missing, right? 2 square is missing, so I should multiply the numerator also with 2 square. So multiply numerator denominator by 2 square in this case, right? So it is 21 into 4 divided by 10 square. All right, this will give us 84 divided by 100. This is 0.84. All right, now 7 by 8. Now prime factors of 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 cube, right? So this is 7, 2 cube. Now we have 2, 2 and 2 3 times, but 5 is missing. How many times 5 is missing? All 3 times, right? To make it 10. That means I should multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 cube, because 5 should be 3 times, isn't it? So this will become 7 into 5 cube is 125 divided by 10 cube. Okay, so this is 7 into 125, 875 divided by 10 cube is 1000, right? So this will give us 0.875. Okay, I hope you understood this.